Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nioka. Why is this truck coming to make noise in my video, Why are you making so much noise in my video? Guys, I'm waiting for the truck to pass. Anyway, let me start over. Hi guys. Just go, please. Just go. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Nioka and I'm leaving school, so I just want to tell you guys about my day. I had a beautiful day today. It's still early. I think it's like 12 o'clock right now because I was doing some other videos, so it took some time. Guys, if you see me wearing the same clothes in like 3 or 4 different videos, just know I did these videos the same day. All right, so don't watch me. All right, don't watch me. All right guys, so I'm currently leaving school. Just want to tell you guys about my day. So today I had my first nutrition class. My day was wonderful. The class was quick because I started at 8 a.m. and the class ended at 10:40. So it was a quick class comparing to my butchery class, because my butchery class was like from 8 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So I'm done with butchery. I already passed butchery 91%. Bam, bam, bam. Hey, I don't come to this school. First of all, I don't come to spend so much thousands of dollars. Oh, I didn't come to spend so much thousands of dollars to fail. Like, never. So I got 91% in my butchery class. And that's my final grade for butchery. So now I have nutrition. They do it like that because of the pandemic. They don't have enough, maybe they don't have enough classes to fit, because what they did, they split the classes in half. So normally we would have like 20 people in one class, so now they split it half. So you know, that's double the amount. So if they had 50 classes before, now they have 100, right? So they might not have enough labs to do it, so they split it up. So you do one first. I did butchery first. I'm done with butchery. Now for the second half of the semester, I'm doing nutrition practical. So yeah, I have nutrition theory classes, which I do online. Most of it is self-study, and then the other one is practical, so we come to school in person. So yeah, today we made salmon and what did we make? Potatoes, purple potato. Guys, let me say this. I have never seen purple potatoes in my... I didn't even know that purple potato exists, to be honest. So we made purple potatoes today. I'll show you a picture of the food that I made and all that good stuff. It was a good day. I like my chef. Like, this chef is nice. I really like this chef that we got. He's so nice and he's so caring, you know. Not everybody's like that. So all my chefs so far are nice. I like that. And yeah, today's an early day for me and I'm going home. Guys, I have so many video ideas, but the thing is that I need people to do them with, you know, because most of them are challenges, and you know, it's entertaining when you have more people to do the challenges. So I have like 7 videos right now, 7 different challenges, and I know you guys would really love those videos. So I'm just waiting to see if I can get like the time. Also, I have to wait for everybody. I'm just trying to fix the lighting. Yeah, so I have to wait for other people to clear their schedule, and we just gotta, and then, because the thing is that sometimes I might be free and then the other person is not free. Sometimes the other person is free and I am not free. So for everybody to just synchronize, I gotta wait, you know. So guys, I have some good videos coming up. I'm just leaving school, as you can see. Yeah, today is actually a good day. Like, it doesn't feel like cold, too cold. It's actually like maybe 15 degrees. I don't even need my jacket, to be honest, but I'm just wearing it because I'm wearing a sleeveless, and it might be too chilly for the sleeveless, but the jacket is good enough. I just open it. So yeah, guys, I don't really have a lot to talk about today. It's just that I had my class. It was beautiful. Yeah, this is gonna be a short video, a very short video. I'm trying to think if I have anything else that I need to share with you guys. Guys, that's why it's not good to wear a wig, you know. That's why it's not good to wear a wig. Let me fix my lighting and tell you guys this story. So today, you know, when we wear hat, right? We wear a hat in class. So today I was taking off my uniform and I forgot that I was wearing a wig. And then, you see, when I grab off my hat like this, almost half of the wig come off of my head. I was like, yo, this wig thing is not for me. I tried wearing my natural hair. I mean, it looks good, but it takes too much time, man. So I'm just gonna stick with my braids. I'm gonna stick with my braids. So guys, I'm just walking to the bus stop right now. This morning my card wasn't working. Hopefully it's working now, cause I'm not paying no fare. I hope it not work, cause I'm not paying no fare. I don't want to pay no fare, man. You know, there's just one time in your life when people should just give you a break. You know, no fear. So yeah, I cooked salmon today. What else should I say? I cooked salmon today. I already eat it off because I was hungry. And my sister has this diet 1 month challenge. My sister has this 1 month diet challenge, and I'm telling you, it's hard. Especially, oh, the bus is coming, look. It's hard because today we cook potatoes and I'm not supposed to eat carbs. And I ate the potato because that's what we cook at school and I have to eat. Anyway, let me go in the bus. Oh, let me see. It's still not passing, but yeah, thank you so much. Oh, let me see right here. Guys, I will check you guys back when I get off the bus. All right, bye. Guys, guess what? Oh, this is leaving. Wait, let me fix it. Okay. Should be better now. No? Why is this so lame? Wait, let me fix it. Guys, guess what? Me not pay no fear. Me not pay no fear. Me not pay no fear. But guess what? I have another bus to take. I have another bus to take, so I don't know if it can work. All right. So So let me see. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog when I get home. I'm gonna just shut up in my video, so you know, when you don't pay fare, that's the best thing. I just saved $3.10. And guess what? I didn't pay any fare this morning. You know what? I think I'm gonna walk because I don't know how long the next bus is gonna take. Let me check quick and see. Guys, the next bus is coming right now. So let me see if I can get another free ride. Well, it's not my fault. Like, my card is not working. I don't know what's going on with it. So let's see. Guys, I didn't pay any fare, so I'm happy because I saved money. Anyway, so as I was saying, it's not like I didn't want to pay no fare. Like, I have my card, but it's just that my card is not working at this moment. Thankfully. Thankfully, my card is not working. So I got free ride, baby. I got free ride to school and back. So I saved $6. I saved a whopping $6.20. Oh my God! Oh, the dog. Guys, I was exaggerating, okay? I wasn't afraid of the dog. I wasn't afraid of the dog. I was just exaggerating. Yeah. I'm not afraid of dog. I'm not afraid of dog. Okay?
What is that? What is that?
My earphone fell out of my ear. Not my earphone, my earbud. Anyway, guys, so I'm home. I wanted to end the vlog outside because the lighting is better, but the dog. Sure. Anyway, so guys, I'm at home. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is just a little video of me showing you what I do after school on my way home. That's it. Just me taking the bus home, and yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.